we already demonstrated the finest free website builders for you to utilize in a video. Following that video, several of you inquired about the greatest products overall, including some that are expensive. Therefore, we'll include the top 5 web design programs in this top 5 list and discuss each one's advantages and disadvantages as we go. We can help you select one that meets your needs whether or not you have experience with coding. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and don't forget to turn on the notifications so that, whenever I publish a new interesting video like this, you will be notified as fast as possible. Let's get started. Squarespace is number 5 on our list to start. Some of you might remember that it started out in 2004 as a blog hosting service. Since then, it has undergone significant development, adding capabilities for web designers that make it an excellent all-in-one solution, especially for those of you without any programming knowledge. Their premium templates, which are offered in more than a dozen categories and include fashion, health and beauty events and weddings, restaurants, and many others, are highly praised. However, with just over 100 templates available, fewer than many of its rivals, it's probable you'll end up making a website that resembles others using Squarespace. If you want to sell products online, their e-commerce tools can help you optimize your company. They also include SEO and analytics tools that can help your website rank higher on search engines. Additionally, you may monitor how well your website is doing. A free tier is not available on Squarespace. Instead, a 14-day free trial is available so you can test it out. Plans start at $12 per month when paid annually, and they come with a free personalized domain. Coming in at number 4 is WordPress.org. This one is free and open source software that can be installed on your computer, and it's intended for web designers that want to self-host their site instead of having it hosted elsewhere. It's quite popular for in-house design teams to create websites, including well-known companies like Sony Music, Clorox, the financial news site Bloomberg, and the Walt Disney Company. They have a massive number of design templates, which they call themes. At this time, they have more than 85 free themes to choose from to create your site. They also have more than 50,000 plugins to help customize your site the way you want it. But no coding experience is needed to use WordPress.org. It does have a slightly higher learning curve than most, but the large number of choices you have at your disposal. On their site, you'll find helpful tutorials that will teach you how to use it. WordPress.org can be installed on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Next at number 3 is Webflows, another high-quality web-based choice for those of you with no coding knowledge, and includes a good amount of pre-designed templates that they drag and drop interface to create your own site. Their free plan does limit you to 2 projects for additional features and to increase the number of projects, but those plans start at $16 per month if billed annually. Just beware, according to the terms of service, and major con with Webflow is that their paid plans are non-refundable. And at number 2 is Visual Studio Code. If you're a developer with coding knowledge, Visual Studio Code is an excellent source code editor that gives you the ability to design a site the way you want it without the use of pre-designed templates. It's made by Microsoft and completely free to enhance its functionality. More than 20,000 extensions are available for free. Visual Studio Code is available for Windows, Linux, and Mac. Coming in at number 1 is Adobe Dreamweaver. This is the best overall web design software. If you want to create a truly unique website that doesn't look like any others on the internet, with full customization of each element, this is your best choice. You do have to have some basic coding knowledge to use it. But thanks to their Access Code Hints, we can help you to learn web standards like HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and many others. Their dynamic live view editing allows you to edit and preview your site in real time to make sure it looks great on any device. Here's a quick look at the interface. To take full advantage of the program, you'll want to switch it to split view. You can adjust the split view panels by moving the cursor in between and dragging up and down, and is available for both Windows and macOS. Dreamweaver is not cheap. On their homepage, they do offer a 7-day free trial to purchase it by itself. The cost is around $21 per month. If you go with their Creative Cloud bundle with Photoshop, Premiere Pro, and many others included, that will set you back a whopping $53 per month. Or if you're a student or teacher, you can get the Adobe suite of apps heavily discounted for just $19.99 per month. Thanks for watching. If you plan to create a website, hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up and share with others. But it's know in the comments which web design software you plan to use and why. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and click the bell to stay up to date with our newest top 5s and other tech related stuff here on Mr. Lim.